Hi guys, good morning. So please join from your laptops. So today class is doubts clarification session. If you are having any doubts or if you are having any problems that we can discuss. So full stack project setup we are going to do in the tomorrow's class. Yep. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. And yesterday some people told that they are facing some problems. So who is that? You can connect from laptop. You can share your screen. Hey guys, come on.
Sir, I have an issue, sir. So,
you are having issue. Yeah.
yeah. So,
share
yes,
your
sir.
screen.
Sir, I need, yes, sir. Sir, I need some time to log in.
Sure, you can do that.
Hi, Ashok.
Yeah, hi, Shiva.
Yeah, we have there at the time of Docker push in the stage number 4, we have to tag the or directly you can push.
Tagging, if you don't give the username in the in the image name, you need to tag it. But if you see my image name directly having my username, Ashoka it is /image, then tag is already it contains that, right? If it doesn't contain that, then you need to do the tagging with the username.
Yeah, as the first time I faced the issue, but yesterday I have cleared it.
Good, very good.
Okay.
So all of you able to set up CI and CD jobs, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Anyone else having any questions, any issues? So tomorrow we'll complete our discussion related to Jenkins. I will set up a full stack application by using Jenkins CI/CD pipeline, one for backend application, one for front end application. Backend is Spring Boot, front end is Angular. So I will set up a document step by step. What is the procedure we need to follow? So based on that, we'll complete that.
Sure. If the time permits, can you please let us know the how to make the AWS bill 0?
Yes, sir. Now today only I will show you that.
Yeah. And actually, Ashok, I earlier I tried to delete the EKS cluster, and cluster was deleted. But I guess some associated VPC and something was left because yesterday when I was doing some.
But tomorrow, tomorrow, once the CI/CD pipeline completed, I will delete the cluster so that I will show you how to delete the associated resources also.
Yes, please.
And bill also, tomorrow we'll see how to make the bill amount as 0.
Okay.
When we make the request for AWS to make the bill amount as 0, they will ask you to delete everything available in your account, like your EKS cluster, your EC2 instances, everything should be deleted. Then only they will make the bill amount as 0. Okay, tomorrow we can see that. Because tomorrow class, for tomorrow session, we need that EKS cluster and Jenkins for full stack application deployment. Once the deployment is completed, we will delete the cluster and we will send a request for the AWS team to make our bill amount as 0.
For my case, Ashok, it was almost 170 USD. So if they will delete it, if they will
they will do that.
Okay.
They will do that. If not, we can create one more account.
Yeah, but for this case, different credit card is required or debit card is required.
No. With same card, you can create it, sir. So if you see in my scenario, I got the bill amount as $225, $221 for current month. So as I'm running my cluster from that day onwards, I did not delete my cluster. So as of now, I got the bill approximately $221.
So by same debit or credit card, we can do that, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, with the same card, you can create another account. Just you need to have a different mail ID. That's it.
Okay. And mobile number? Same mobile number or different mobile?
Same mobile number also will
Having
work.
issues connecting to the.
Okay.
Can you ask questions related to the class, please?
Yeah. Hi, Don.
Hi, I'm having issues running kubectl on the Jenkins server. Will I be able to
You are
share my
having-
screen? Help me out?
Okay. You can share your screen. Yeah, Pradeep, full stack application I will explain tomorrow.
Yes, sir. If possible, if you can take the database also, it
Yeah,
will be.
we'll see
Yeah.
that, sir. Today I will set
Oh.
up the document. If possible, I will add that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Don, can you share your screen?
Yeah, I'm trying to share my screen right now. It's forcing me to leave the meeting.
No, there is an option called share screen. You can do that.
Okay, can you see it now?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. My problem is when I go here,
Okay.
I have the cube directly in the setup, but I can't seem to be able to bring up the to see the nodes. When I do this,
kubectl get nodes.
it hangs or give me a funny error.
Yeah, that .cube file, you need to configure in the Jenkins directory, where lib Jenkins directory will be available. If you open the document, I will show you that. Can you go to the GitHub repository, which I have shared?
Okay, let me see. I have my notes here. Pull up the notes.
Okay, you can go to that at GitHub. So in the website, you will have clear, you can open that GitHub. I have given you a GitHub repository.
Let's see.
Go to my GitHub repository.
Okay.
Not this one, DevOps documents. There will be a repository with the name called DevOps documents. You can search there. Go to repository section. Second one. Yeah. Go to second one. Yeah. So here,
Okay.
if you step by step, it is available. Scroll down. Jenkins server setup, it is done. Maven and Git installation in the Jenkins. Setup Docker in the Jenkins. Are you done with third step?
Yeah, I'm all the way down the 9th step. That's where I'm stuck.
Okay, go to install
Here.
CLI now. Yeah, so go to your EKS management host machine, initially which we have used to create the cluster, or the Jenkins machine, EKS host. Initially, to communicate with the cluster, before Jenkins is starting, we used EKS client VM. Yeah, so you need to connect to that machine.
Okay, this one.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Now execute that command to get that kubeconfig file. No. Cat, not, yeah, you can execute that. kubectl get nodes. You will get the nodes here. kubectl get nodes. Enter. Yes, here you are getting the nodes. That means your EKS machine is able to communicate with the cluster. Now, from this machine, you need to copy your kubeconfig file.
I did. It's in here. If you look in here, that's
Yeah,
my kubeconfig right here.
No. Go to GitHub.
Go back to GitHub.
Yeah. GitHub repo. So
Okay.
you need to keep that in that location. See the second step. You should go to where lib Jenkins directory.
I did. I have those files in there. I'm still having the error.
Can you do it once again?
Okay.
Go inside the dot cube, cd space dot cube.
This,
Go
this
inside
is
the,
it.
yeah, go inside the directory. cd space.
Oh, you want me to go inside?
Yeah. Yeah. There is no config file.
Let me see.
No, you don't need to delete anything. You just cd space dot cube. You are already there.
Mm-hmm.
You deleted dot cube. Okay, now you create it once again.
I didn't delete it. It didn't let me delete.
Now can you do ls-la dot cube ls-la?
Oh,
Clear
sorry.
the screen. Yeah, in the directory, nothing is available. There should be a config file in the directory.
Well, yesterday I saw you when you did it in class. You said you didn't put it here. You did it in the home Ubuntu directory. That's
Yeah,
what I was trying. That's what I
yeah,
meant.
you need to keep it here as well because Jenkins will take it from here.
Okay. All right. Let me pull this. I think I have the file in here. One of my, let me see. Pull it here. Okay. Let's do my PWD. 1 second. Yeah.
Yeah, can you do the cat and show me the config file? Cat space dot cube slash config. Good. Yeah, clear the screen. Yeah, now
Okay.
just restart your Jenkins. Go to the GitHub. There is a command. Sudo systemctl restart Jenkins.
In a second, I got it here somewhere. Pull it up. Let me pull it.
Go to first step. Yeah. Status of Jenkins.
What is the status?
Scroll down. Yeah, here in the Docker setup, it is there. Go to Docker setup. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now get nodes.
This is what I've been getting all day, since yesterday.
Unable to locate credentials. You can call. Did you install AWS CLI?
Yes. I went through the document step by step. That's why I got stuck at step 9. And this is what I
Sir, I
couldn't get.
think so. He didn't attach the IMA roles.
Can you go to AWS EC2? Show me that. AWS Jenkins machine.
So,
This Jenkins machine.
earlier you were getting the problem says the server does not have a resource type nodes. I think this is a new issue you're getting, no?
You can configure credentials, unable to locate credentials. You can configure credentials by using that.
Where do you want me to go now? Home
Go to
Ubuntu? That's AWS.
no. Go to GitHub repository and check AWS CLI is configured. Do you have that cluster and Jenkins machine in the same region?
Do I have what?
Jenkins machine and Kubernetes cluster.
Yes.
Both are in the same region.
Right. I went through the whole these documents step by step, every single step until I got to 9. That's why I got stuck. I couldn't go any further because it wouldn't let me do that. This is why I got stuck right here.
Yeah, right. You are not able to access that
Yeah.
cluster nodes here.
Ashok, yesterday I have encountered the same problem, but I have repeated the step number 7. Then I'm able to resolve this issue.
Step number 7. Can you do that? Can you execute these commands again in the Jenkins machine? This one, .curl below commands, execute below commands. Yeah.
I think CLI is not installed properly. So.
Yeah.
Let me go back to
Missing
AWS.
AWS. Double slash.
Minus.
Yeah. Now try kubectl get nodes. Same.
After that, you have to go to the AWS account and check that AMI role that is assigned to the Jenkins server.
Actually, I got the same issue yesterday. When I attached the IIM roles, then I got it.
Go to AWS account. Go to your Jenkins instance. AWS account.
Okay, 1 second.
The browser. Yeah, it is already there, no? a tab, instance, first tab.
Right.
Yeah. Show me the instances. Select the Jenkins. Go to action, security, IAM role, modify IAM role, second option. Yeah. This is the problem, sir.
He didn't attach.
Yes. You did not attach this role for the Jenkins.
I did that. Okay, let me try it again. I did that.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Reconnect to that machine.
Yeah, I'm connected to the machine. This is the machine here.
Then step number 8. You have to make sure that Jenkins server is used to connect to kubectl.
I have to make sure what?
kubectl you have already installed, right?
Right. We could check that here.
He was not selected here.
Say that again, please.
No. In the echo command, you have given spelling mistake. kubectl.
Oh,
He was not copied.
Yeah, it's good. Clear the screen. kubectl get nodes. Try that again. So can you log out from this? Can you exit and reconnect to the Jenkins? Type exit.
say that. Oh, exit out of here.
Type the command exit. Okay. Now connect back to the Jenkins.
I'm connected.
This is your EKS machine.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah. Now execute kubectl get nodes. Should not take this much time.
No.
Once try to restart the servers because you have updated IAM policies and also you have done some changes here, right? So try to restart both the instances and try.
You can select both master and as well as EKS cluster. Both you select it and stop it and restart. Stop. No. Very good. Yeah.
This thing, it didn't start. It's still running.
You're not selected stop. You're rebooting it.
Ashok sir,
Yes, sir.
in this assignment, our Jenkins machine is the EKS client VM. Is that not true?
Yes, true. Because in the Jenkins, we installed kubectl to communicate with the cluster.
Right. Then why does he need to do anything with the EKS client VM?
No need to do that. You can skip that because from the Jenkins, we are directly connecting to that.
Correct.
That's why I didn't know why I had to stop that though.
We are not using that EKS client VM.
No,
No,
Jenkins restarted okay.
yeah, Jenkins
But
restart. we can
EKS
do.
client does not, yeah.
It's not required.
Correct.
You need to change the IP address.
Yeah, I forgot.
You have given wrong username. Can you check username Ubuntu? Username, yeah.
I'm not sure. Hold on, let me check if I'm using. I'm using EKS or
Username UBUNTU.
Again, check the username.
Check the username.
It's still wrong.
Okay. IP address. Well, do I have to restart Jenkins here? Okay, if everybody got it right, then I think I'm missing some steps. I will just go back and walk through the whole process again and redo it. Let me not hold up the class on this.
Yeah, sure.
I'll just do it. I'll just do it myself. We'll do it over. So
Yeah, so I
thank
think
you.
some steps are missed. You need to follow that GitHub repository which I have given. Follow the steps again and set up it so that we'll see if it is not
Yeah.
working.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Next one, guys.
Yes, sir. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, please.
Sir, my error is the server does not have a resource type nodes. And I followed step by step what you given the in document.
1 minute. kubectl get nodes. Can you clear your screen? Clear your screen. Execute clear command. Yeah. So execute ls-la
.q.
Yeah. cd space .q. cd space .q. Yep. ls-l. So you have the config file. Okay. So did you copy that data? Config file data?
Already I copied.
Okay, you copied that. Okay, go back. Clear and execute kubectl get nodes. The server does not have a resource type nodes. So go to your Jenkins machine. EC2. EC2. EC2 instances, last tab. Yeah. Go to action, IAM role. Show me that IAM role. It is already updated. Yeah, go back.
Actually,
The server does not have the resource type nodes.
Sure, I was getting the same issue, but once I tried to delete the .cube directory and again, create a directory and copy the data from the .cube config file from EKS cluster to here, Jenkins server, it was working. After restarting Jenkins restart command, EKS ETL restart Jenkins like that.
Munna, delete the .cube. Just come out, cd space dot. Come out from the directory. Cd space dot. Yep. So sudo rm-rf space .cube. Perfect. Now make that, go to that and create the .cube once again. Yeah.
And go to home directory first. Come out from where live Jenkins.
You can use cd tilde. You will go to home directory.
Okay.
Now create the .cube directory.
Yeah. Go to that location. .cube should be there in the Jenkins directory only. Execute the cd command. Above command. Above command.
Okay.
Now do that. Now paste that content.
And then, sir,
Yeah,
restart the Jenkins.
Now try kubectl get nodes. Restart your Jenkins.
Again, sir, service.
Yeah, you have to create the .cube directory in home also as well.
Exactly.
Both in Jenkins directory and
cd space type
Filter.
tilde, cd space tilde. Yeah. Now create the cube directory here.
So first, I have to delete that directory, or again I have.
Don't
ls-la.
delete.
No need to do that. ls-la. Go to cd space dot cube. ls-l. Create that config file and paste the content here also.
Same command I have to apply.
No, last one, only that. Sudo vi command.
Okay.
Yeah. Take that config data.
No, yeah.
This
You
file,
already
In the directory, again creating the directory with the VI.
No. So escape :Q naught.
Escape colon
Q naught. Not. You don't have the right permission for that. Sudo vi q dot config.
Give spam file created. Just try to give ls. I mean, 2 files are there. .q.
Only
Can you do
config
ls?
file.
Ls, can you do ls?
Say VI config.
Only
Just the VI config.
ls-la.
VI config
No,
only.
just use VI config.
Sudo
Not
space
vi.cube
vi
/config.
space config. Sudo space vi space config. That's it. Paste it.
and then paste it.
Now
Then save and exit.
Save and exit.
Yes.
Now try this. Come out cd space dot. Yeah. Now try kubectl get nodes. Try again. No, and some steps are missed.
Again, restart the Jenkins.
Yeah. So we should be very careful when we are doing this setup, because if we do any small mistake, then we can't connect to that.
Okay, sir. I will try step by step once again from your document. Okay. It's not working as of now.
Okay. Yes, next one, guys.
Yeah, sure. Are you going to explain that notifications? I mean, trigger notifications like that part on today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow, sir. In the tomorrow pipeline, I will show you email notification.
So in both ways, you need to explain that GUI mode and in pipeline, or only in the pipeline mode?
Pipeline, I will explain. GUI, we don't do that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sure. Yeah. Got it.
Any other questions, anyone? Guys, did anybody try setting up that full stack application? Did anybody try setting up that full stack application?
No, today we'll try.
Yeah. Okay, please. So please try that, guys. So I will prepare the document before coming to tomorrow's session. So tomorrow we'll set up that full stack application in the Kubernetes cluster by using Jenkins. Thank you. We'll see you in the tomorrow's class.